In today's video, I'll show you on how you can unlink Xbox account from FiveM. The first thing that you want to do is to head over to your start menu, and from here you then want to type email and account, open up the system setting application. It will then take you to the accounts of your computer. Right here, you just want to click on a specific account that's linked to your FiveM. Now let's say that this specific account is connected right here, so I'll just click on the remove button, and from there we are ready to proceed to the second step. So with that out of the way, once again head over to the start menu. You then want to type run, which is going to be run, and then type %local app data %. Click on OK, and then you want to find this specific folder. It's going to be the digital entitlements. You then want to right click on it, click on the delete button, restart your computer, and from there you are good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.